I am going to do some lawn work. As you can see, I still have lots of snow on the lawn here in the back, but the front looks pretty dang good. You can see here, made some good progress on the shed. It's going a lot slower than I would like it to go, but that's okay. I'm one man and I'm not pushing it too fast and too hard, and I don't really care. So let's go inside and get the blower here. Oh, the blower is not in here. I forgot I left it in my garage. So here's what it looks like inside so far. Just doing some work. I've got the windows in. It's nice to have it finally kind of closed in. Kind of a mess in here. Got paper strewn all over. My tools are kind of strewn all over, but it's nice. I can close it up and the weather doesn't get in. The garage door will be installed next week. Look at all these deer droppings right here. See this right here? So many deer droppings. Look at all that. So many. Just a freaking huge fat mess of stuff. All of this was piled on the concrete, and in a fit of rage, I came back here with the skid steer and tore everything all up, moved all the snow. I was in a fit of rage, and I damaged the house with the skid steer. Look at all this snow mold, okay? See that? That's bad. Bad. This is really bad. See that? The snow mold's gonna kill the lawn and cause some serious damage. Look at that. Vole damage. This is the first I'm seeing of the lawn here. Got lots of vole damage. Lots of snow mold damage right there. Lots and lots of snow mold. Really bad damage there. Looks like my sprinkler pipe right here got damaged with the skid steer when I came through here. I came through here, like I said, in a fit of rage, right through here with the skid steer, and just kind of took over. Not very much snow mold at all over here. Very little amount of snow mold over here. I put an application of fungicide down, and as you can see, I don't see any snow mold, which is so fantastic. How great is that? More deer droppings. The snow is just leaving. So I'm gonna get the blower out and do some blowing, clean up the lawn here, get this junk out of here. So I'm telling you guys, this thing is money. Not only did it cost a lot of money, but it is an awesome product. So this blower is super awesome, and because it's so awesome, it blows a lot of air and it burns a lot of fuel. It's more 2-cycle fuel than I've ever burned before than I do with this blower. Hi! So got kids out in the yard, in the street looky-loos. Hi, Connie, hey! Looks like some brats to me. So let's get to it. Prime this a couple times like that. Turn the choke on. This is not one of your one-pull type jobs here. This thing, especially when it's cold, takes several pulls even with the choke on. Let's see here. See that? 3 pulls, got it. So let's get this cleaned up. Let's get the lawn care season started 2020. Here we go, baby. So I finished it off. That was quite a lot of work blowing the lawn, but it looks a million times better. I see quite a few bumps and bruises from the winter. You can still see where the bike came through here. You can see the two tracks right through here. It's almost gone though. But it looks good and I'm happy with that. A lot accomplished, but that was a crap load of work. So I want to take the blower to this side over here and see what happens when I blow on this snow mold and just see what happens. Look at the damage that the voles caused right there. That's a lot of damage. So let's put the blower on this snow mold and see what happens. Those voles got me really good right here. There was a lot of snow cover for a lot of months. I don't think I've seen the lawn since Thanksgiving, and today is March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. So there is quite a bit of damage on this side of the lawn when it comes to snow mold and voles. When it comes to this side of the lawn, it actually looks really good. Very little snow mold over here. I did the application of fungicide and I have a little bit of snow mold right through here, and that is it. I only did the fungicide on this side. I did not do the fungicide over here, and the results are very, very visible, the differences. So the goal for the next day or two is to come out here with a blower, blow all this crap out of here, and come out here with the rake. That's it. It looks good. I'm just happy with how this came out of winter dormancy. It's not out yet, but it looks good. The first look at the lawn with no snow, I'm very, very happy with it. It looks fantastic. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for keeping with me over the winter time and seeing all the crap and the projects that I've done. Here's to an awesome season for 2020 lawn care. We're gonna get this thing all filled in and this grass looking awesome. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one. So these are the products that I put down last fall as my fungicide application. Put this iPro 2 stuff down. This stuff is iProdione. I don't know. So put this stuff down. It's the iPro 2, iProdione something fungicide. Put this stuff down. Not sure how to pronounce that. And then I put this down. All of their max rates. And I did this with a recommendation from one of my online friends. So my online friends, I trust those guys. They're a good resource of information. And had it not been for them, I would likely be dealing with a lot more snow mold that I actually have now. This is an expensive proposition for these 3 products. I think it was about 450 bucks. I got it from Do My Own, and I can leave links to them if you want, but those are very expensive, but I kind of figured it's going to last a while. I'm not sure what the shelf life is on these 3, but that's what I used, and that's the formula. It was 4 ounces of one, 4 ounces of another, and 2 ounces of, I think this one was 4 ounces, that one was 4, and that one was 2. I'm not sure. I'd have to look up my notes and read the label to see what the max rate was. I did the max, and I'm telling you, that stuff worked very well. Hello? Oh, it was a 4 ounce per 1,000 square feet. 4 ounces, and then 2 ounces. Those are all per 1,000 square feet, right? Okay. Okay, sounds good.